Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna make the unboxing of all these accessories. It's Insta360 camera and all these accessories. It was a Black Friday offer. It was terrible order because it took about a month to come to me. Some things came from China, some other things came from France, and this took about a month. It was disaster order. And I think the live chat is AI robots that are talking to you, so it was very difficult to communicate. So let's start making the unboxing from the simple things. This is a case. I don't like this color, but okay. It has two compartments and something like a strap that you can hold it in your shoulders. This is a lens kit to protect your camera. Some paper, manuals, a soft cloth. Very nice. You can also clean your glasses with this. Very difficult, the packing. There are two lenses to protect the lens of the camera. Okay, it's inside here. This is it. And the other one is identical. Okay, let's put it in the side. Okay, that's it in the bin. This is a cover for the lenses. This is it. It's made from silicone. It goes at the top of your camera and protects the lenses. Okay. This is an SD card. This is a 256 gigabyte. Okay, we will install this later. This is a mini remote. Okay, and this is a rubber to hold it in the stick. This is the heavy duty clamp for the motorbike. This is very heavy, guys. This is metallic. And I think that this would be very strong and reliable. And this is a kit to tighten the bolts. Very interesting. This is something, I don't know, 3M stickers, an Allen key, a bolt here to mount the camera, and this converts this mount for GoPro and okay. This is a motorcycle selfie stick holder. You see how you can mount the selfie stick. Wow, this is also metallic. This is very important because from Temu and from AliExpress all the mounts are plastic. This is metallic, so this means that it will be very strong. Very nice. We will try this on the motorbike. Now we have two selfie sticks. Both of them are invisible. Wow, very nice. This is very light. It is made from carbon. I don't know how it extends like that. Okay, and it's very light. It's made from carbon. It's very stable. It doesn't bend. Very nice. Okay, and this is an invisible selfie stick plus tripod. Let's check this. Wow, this is much bigger. Very interesting. I don't know how it is working. It's like that. Okay. Probably I will break this one day. Okay. So let's check this. How heavy it is. The selfie stick. Okay. The tripod selfie stick. Much heavier. The heavy duty mount. This is also very heavy. And this mount for the motorbike. Also very heavy. It's about, if you add all this, it will be around 1 kilo. And let's open now the camera. Wow. Very nice. It's made in China. I like how it feels. Very nice. We will install the memory card and we will charge it. Here is the charger. Here is the battery. Now is the opportunity to install the memory card. This is how we install the SD card. Very nice. You hear the click. Don't forget, this is upwards. There is an arrow here. Okay. And let's take this off. Very nice. So it will protect the lens from scratches. I hope I did everything okay. Okay, let's see also this silicone protection, if it is working with the lenses on. Okay, it's working, it's okay. So this is it. We will charge the camera and we will start doing all the things. update the software. It's very important to update the software because there was a very important software at the end of 2025, so we have to do these things. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next videos. Bye bye.